To turn on or turn off virus Android protection, recent activities scan result notification in Windows 10 Home. Open settings, click or tap set menu icon, and then click or tap settings. Select update and security, and then tap Windows security. And then select open Windows security. Select virus threat and virus Android protection, and then scroll down screen. On virus threat and protection settings, tap manage settings, and then scroll down screen. Tap change notification settings. To turn on recent activity and scan result virus threat protection notification, check recent activity and scan results. Do you want to allow this app make change to your device? Tap yes if you sure. And then to turn on, check. To turn off, uncheck recent activity and scan result. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.